Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Good afternoon, myself Srishti Vivek Badve, studying in Sinhagad Public School, 4th standard.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Varad Vivek Badve, studying in Sinhagad Public School, 8th standard.
Here you can see the small children were playing swings, slides and monkey bar. And now you can see no one is here. See.
You can see the basketball ground. No one is playing here due to the COVID-19. You can see the volleyball ground and backside Coco ground.
Look at the chemistry lab. No one is here. See. Look at the library. May I come in, ma'am? Respected principal, ma'am, we have to take permission to take your interview.
So this interview is for what? What is the topic of this interview?
Ma'am, about how the school is running in this COVID-19.
Oh. Okay then, you can take your seat.
Ma'am, in this pandemic condition of COVID-19, how do you feel school without students?
Oh, that is a very great question. Actually, without the students, the school is soulless. It's just a building with 4 walls and a roof, nothing else. I daily miss you all. I miss the laughter, the noise, the scream, what you make through the corridors. I love you all. Good times will come back, but I am desperately waiting for you all to join the school, come back to the school. Till that time, take care of yourself, your family, focus on your hobbies. Just find out what are your hobbies. Work on your physical and mental well-being. And the last and foremost thing is that be a responsible citizen by following the guidelines of COVID-19.
Ma'am, what do you find the difference between online classes and offline classes?
This is also a very good question. For us, always we prefer to the traditional way of teaching, but this pandemic has triggered a new way of teaching and learning process. That way, if we think in this COVID-19, online teaching is the best option. At least the children are intellectually engaged in all these things. But there are multiple drawbacks when we compare traditional way of teaching with the online way of teaching. The first thing in traditional way is that the teacher knows the student better. There is a bond between you and us. Yes or no? In online teaching, it is missing all the things. The teacher knows the child better, understand that, know their strength and weakness, and accordingly they guide you. So this is the first difference and very important difference. The other thing is that social interaction, you are lacking in social interaction. Usually you talk with your friends, so how to communicate? Lack of communication is also there among the teacher and the student also. The 100 of questions you used to ask during your classes. Now, because some may be little introvert, they are finding hesitate to ask in online classes. So in the traditional way, fearlessly used to ask 100 questions. The teacher used to make you understand the things. So all these things are lacking in online classes. And even the joy of sharing. You used to share your tiffin. You used to share your gifts. So that is also missing. The joy of adjustment. Sometimes you used to share your pencil, rubber with your friends. That was what? Adjustment. So in online it is not possible. In offline only, in traditional way of this, indirectly you are learning all these things. And And the other thing is that the discipline. It teaches you more discipline because rules, you have to follow the rules. In online, everything is missing. That is flexible. Even if you are not attending the classes, the teacher can't come with a scale. Why you are not attending? Yes or no? So this is missing. And there is in school there is a proper schedule. After this period, again this period comes, and you have to come in uniform. So all these things, I prefer traditional way of teaching, but in this pandemic, there is no other option, so we prefer online teaching. Okay?
Okay. Okay, so ma'am, our third question. Ma'am, what is your favorite game and subject?
First I will talk about this subject that way I used to like till 10th standard I used to like maths, but slowly my interest grew in geography. So all subjects are my favorite, but first I liked my interest was in maths, and then I turned to geography. And regarding sports, if you say, I love playing anything, team game, athletics, whatever is there. So, but volleyball is my favorite game.
Ma'am, I have to say something. Ma'am, that you're just supporting. I'm very thankful that you're supporting us in all activities. I'm very thankful about that.
Actually, I appreciate what you all are doing during this COVID-19 and all these things. And I want to appreciate your parents, all the parents of Siyangarh school, that they are engaging their children in one or other way. So I appreciate that you all do something different here. Some new is coming out of this. Yes or no? You are focusing on your hobbies. That is a very good thing. Now you are working on the plantation. You have brought a gift for me. That is also a good thing. Thank you for that also.
And ma'am, we are thankful of that also, that you are doing the hard work and just you are taking, doing more things for us.
All this thing is possible only because of my competent team. All my teachers. Without that, I am not able to do a single task also. So I thank here my teachers to be always ready with whatever task we give them. They are always happily doing all these things.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here I have give the plant.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time for us.
Thanks a lot.
We thankful to our principal, ma'am, for giving a precious time, and we thankful to our computer teacher Amol sir for guiding about video and supporting us. And third, we thankful to our parents for supporting us.